for the new year, and when I'm getting ready for the new year, I like to think of what goals do I want to accomplish in the next year. And then I start to write those things down. So we're going to open this planner that I purchased from Erin Condren. I purchased it in advance so I could have it in time for the new year. So we're going to take a look at this, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how I use this planner to stay organized, to stay focused, and accomplish what I want to accomplish for the year. Let's do it. So here it is. This is how it's going to come to you in the box when you order it from erincondren.com. And you open it up, and what I really love about this company is that the packaging is just so darn cute. And also, they always have like these really motivating messages in there. So you get some like freebie postcard that you can give to a friend. Here is a little card that you can send to someone. They give you stickers, so you can use this on a gift, like maybe for somebody's birthday or something. Okay, now to open up the tissue paper. It's so cute, you almost don't want to destroy it. Okay, it's bubble wrapped, and right away you start to see all the little goodies in here. Okay, I ordered some accessories because I have some plans to upgrade and customize my planner. So one of the things I got was some coil clips so I can add in like maybe a dashboard or just like mini post-its in there so I can make lists and put flags into my planner. So this is something extra that I purchased. Alright, more things that they gift you with, which is good because these are not cheap. So it's good that they throw in some goodies. So it says, plan for a pouch, a stylish storage. And you can see inside there are some bookmarks, some cards that you can use as bookmarks. You can actually give these to like your waiter or a friend. And it just has some messages on there. You slay all day. Thank you for being you. Just little things to like encourage people, which is what I really like about this company. And on the back they're blank, so you can leave it that way, or you can write like a fun little message. There's still some more labels that you can put on gifts. And there's just a little note in here that explains how you can use this pouch. And again, it gives you, oh, that's so cool. They give you free coil clips. So if you want to put this pouch in your planner, you can do that. Or if you just want to use it in your purse, you can do that. Okay, so this is the actual planner. It comes with a ruler. It is spiral bound. I chose this color of the spiral to go with the customized initials on the front. These are my older planners, old Erin Condren. So I've been using this for 3 years. This is about to be my 4th year using the Erin Condren. And like I said, you can customize your covers every year. You can even take these covers off. Say if you liked last year's cover a lot, you can actually take the cover off and put it onto your new planner. So here's the side-by-side between my 2017 planner and my 2018 planner. So just opening it up, you can see the insides are very different. Like I said, I decided this year to go with black and white as my theme so I can customize it the way I want to. So side by side, they both have inspirational quotes in there. They both have the year mapped out so you can easily look at them. So this is the goal page. So you can use this page to write out your goals. As you can see, it says don't call it a dream, call it a plan. And they have these different boxes, and you can use these boxes to put in, maybe one box is your financial goals, one box is your creative goals, one box is your spiritual goal. So that's what I did for last year. I just wrote out some of the goals that I wanted for that year. Right away you have your first month just laid out so that you can put events that are happening for the month. So this is now where you plan for the day, for the week, what you're going to do. And this is one style that I picked where the day goes horizontally. I'm going to show you last year's planner that I got. I actually had my day planned out vertically. And so that's what my planner looked like with the vertical plans. And what I found that I ended up doing is, because this is separated from morning, afternoon, night, I work at night, so there's never going to be anything here that I can do except if I want to talk to my boss or something, or I want to put in for some kind of like vacation. I'll maybe write a note to myself. And I'm dead in the morning, so there's really there's nothing in the morning column for me to do but catch up on my sleep. So this is really the only time where I would write like things that I want to do. So I would just use the morning column to write out like an inspirational verse or quote or something to keep me grounded for the week. And there's like thankful thoughts here, so you can write things that you accomplished, things you're thankful for, just some random notes here, or you can put notes at the bottom of each day. I found that I was not utilizing this space or this space. So that's why this year I went for this style. And it's different for everyone. But that's what I chose for this year. We'll see how it works out. And it just goes on like that throughout the weeks. But I just like that you can make a plan for each day and work towards that plan. So this is before March, before you get into the March calendar. There is a page here that's blank, but it's really a time where you can write your goals for the month. Now at the back of every planner there are pages where you can take notes. This is really helpful if you're a person who, like, when you get information you write it down, and that's what I do. Sometimes if I'm at work and I'm listening to some audio and I need to make a note, or I just remember something that I want to remember later, I just write it down. Or if I'm in a seminar or something, which happens a lot at work, I can write that stuff down. So these pages are back here so that you have a place to do that. You have a folder so you can put some things in there. You have some stickers that I didn't use all of these stickers, but these stickers are in there just in case you want to put like doctor's appointments, hair appointments. There's even a sticker to encourage you to vote. Yes, so important. Please vote. So that's this was in the old planner, and it's in the new planner as well. Here's the folder. Here are the stickers, so you can really map out things you want to do. This year, the stickers are like really nice. They have flags, and look, some of them have like metallics on them. Ooh, yes. So you can put flags throughout the days of things you really think are important. You can use these stickers to make lists for each day. These stickers, oh, these are really nice because look, it has money. So like say if you have a bill due, you can put this sticker in there just as a reminder, like pay your bills on time. Or you can put in like these little stickers to highlight certain things. So there are so many tools in the Erin Condren, which is why I love it so much, to help you stay focused throughout the year. So there you have it. I hope that really inspires you. You know, it's one thing to have goals and say, new year, new me. But it's another thing to actually like write those goals down and start breaking it down day by day, week by week, month by month, so that by the time you get to December, you're like, wow, I really got results this year. And if you get a planner, I'd like to see it. Use the hashtag that's in the comments below or in the description bar below, and put a picture of your planner on Instagram so I can see it. All right. Like, thumbs up, and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye!